All right, let's take a look at ReplySync. This is my ReplySync review. This app just hit AppSumo, and it's a ManyChat alternative. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically an Instagram tool that allows automation and allows you to reply and build in automations to people that are either DMing you, replying or posting or commenting on your stories or your posts on Instagram. So this is ReplySync, build automated Instagram DM workflows with AI to engage leads, customers, and fans at scale. It's also an alternative to Contentful and MailChimp, but in my opinion, it is a direct kind of competitor or alternative to ManyChat. Just look at some of the workflows and automations that you can actually build. We're going to jump right into the pricing, and license tier 1 starts at $59. You'll get 5,000 contacts, and it actually will store your contacts, and you can actually contact and message back people that opt in with the tool. But something very interesting, license tier 1 and license tier 2 do not allow you to export your contacts right here. And then they also don't allow you to remove ReplySync branding. So this is going to be one of those that I absolutely recommend. 3 at $259 for a couple different reasons. One, it unlocks the full benefits of the tool, including exporting contacts. I think that's extremely important. If you're ever going to not use the tool, you want to upload these to a new marketing platform or email automation platform, you're going to need that feature. And you're going to really shoot yourself in the foot by picking up license tier 1 or 2 and then not being able to do that, okay? And then also, this unlocks 20,000 contacts, 30 Instagram accounts, 5 team members, 150 created automations on license tier 3. So that's the sweet spot. I really recommend license tier 3 right there. And then license tier 4 at $399, and there's license tier 5 all in at $599. You get 100,000 contacts connected to 100 Instagram accounts, 20 team members. So you could build this into a full business and a full agency, and then also AI credits per month, 3,000. And you can also bring your own key right there as well. Now let's spend just a minute on the founder. Now, this was founded in April of 2025, so it's almost a year old. And this is from the same guy that, if we open it, I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm just going to say Io, indie hacker, software developer, and he created PushLap Growth. And if some of you, like right here, this is PushLap Growth, founded in August 20th, 2024. So he's been a couple years on the platform. This is PushLap Growth, and it was an alternative to like HubSpot, BigCommerce, and really it's an affiliate marketing, or it's an affiliate management tool like First Promoter or Rewardful or many of the others that allow SaaS creators to manage an affiliate program. So this was PushLap Growth, his first product. It did get 51 reviews and a 4.8 star rating on AppSumo. So this is kind of the proof, if you're a founder and you don't have a whole lot of other experience and proof and all that, this is one way to get that feel-good proof that will help users, future tools that you launch. It just increases the confidence level. In my opinion, people are still buying the software and giving it 5-star reviews, right? So 4.8 out of over 50, that's my criteria. If it manages to get a 4-star or higher rating and 50 natural reviews on AppSumo, then that's a really good thing. Okay, so they've got that going for them. So they kind of passed that founder kind of sniff test, in my opinion. There is no traffic going to the site. This is the landing page right over here. You can go take a look at it right there as well. It looks like you can kind of get a sneak preview of what the actual pricing is going to be on the site once they're done with this launch. And then this is inside of the software right here. I'm going to go to home. Now, I've already taken it for a test drive, and I actually did my review video, and of course it was at my normal 20-minute video. And then I didn't have my microphone set up properly. It didn't capture my audio. So I'm redoing this. Hopefully I can get this way under the 15 to 20 minute mark. Now we're going to just jump right into the dashboard. I will say you have to have an Instagram business account to make this work. And in order to have an Instagram business account, before that, you have to have a Facebook business account. So you have to have those two things, and they walk you through all of that right here. Now you like to see this, right? ReplySync, how to connect your Instagram account. It's newer video, 5 months old. So that's really, really good. They change things so much on Facebook that it's nice that there's a video right there that is going to, tell it'll explain to you how to do everything. And then look at all these videos right here that they have right over here. 20 training videos on how to use their software, which is really great. And then we also come in here, you can go into the tutorial section right over here, and you'll see all those videos are just a click away, and they're housed right here in the dashboard. So I really like that as well. Now, I don't see a light version of this. It's just a dark mode, but that's okay. I would like to turn on like a light mode while maybe it's under settings. We have our billing settings on tier 5 right now, your Instagram account, and it is connected right here. You're gonna be able to see that. You can add team members by going over here and clicking invite team member right there as well. So that kind of gets that going. We'll go back over here to home, and then we'll just work our way through, and I'll show you the tool right here. You can see we already have automations right over here. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is just go and click the create automation button. We have a new automation, and it has some automations built in right here. There are also automation templates, more templates, and then there's also a marketplace that I'll talk briefly about in a minute. But let's just say you want to auto like messages, create the just a very simple automation right here. You're going to have this drag and drop kind of, you've probably seen this way of kind of doing a workflow chart like this. And you can, it reminds me of Zapier or a lot of email marketing automation platform tools. And so you're going to be able to come in here and say, hey, someone sends you a DM. You can say, if they have a specific keyword in there, if I just say like, LearnWire, if they say a keyword LearnWire in there, you can put multiple keywords as well. You can add the trigger, but the trigger is, okay, they send you a DM that has LearnWire. You can also take that off, right? So if just anyone sends you a DM, you're going to go ahead and like the message right here. You can add more steps and look at how advanced this gets. You can send a message, send a like, send a photo, share a reel, send an audio message. You can ask a question, send a link. And this gets really advanced because you can come in here. You can actually come in here, set up your link right here. You can also, if it's clicked, you can also say, okay, if it's clicked, then do this, right? If it's not clicked, then you can do this. 3 days later, 4 days later, whatever you want to do right here, you can, you can basically set your parameters for however you want during the setup right here. So very, very easy. And then you're going to just save this and you're going to activate it, right? And once you do that, then I'm just going to go click on the automations. We already have some right over here. Then we have that automation we just created. We can also go and just push the trash can and delete that automation. We weren't using it, right? But I can show you some of the other ones that I've created. The one that it did work, I did log into another Instagram account and I sent a message, and it was just a simple like one, and then it did automatically work, and you can see it executed one right there. So this is what it looks like right over here. And it's just any post, if someone comments on the post, then we send an automatic like. Right now, these can get very robust and intricate and detailed, and they can be full-fledged automations, or they can be as simple as just a 2-step automation. Someone comments on your post and you automatically like their stuff, right? You can also automatically like and then send them a message as well. And you kind of have full control over what you want to do. But that's the automation. You can turn this on or off. You can edit it. You can copy it or duplicate it. And that's how that automations work. Then we'll come through here and you'll be able to see you can manage your entire messaging. You can message people and manage your Instagram from here. So this would be my favorite feature. Instead of having to be on my phone and trying to, do business on my phone and message people on Instagram, you have a platform right here that will allow you to see that this person, sent you a message. You can compose a message right here, send survey, send link, run automation, and you can go over here. And this automation was the one that was related to this person right over here. And you will just, as I'm using this, my Instagram account doesn't have a lot of activity on it. And certainly since I've installed this, it doesn't have activity. So, but you'll see all the people that have engaged and interact with your Instagram account right here. And you'll be able to go and you could actually manage your lead, and you can manually send them messages, or you could have it fully blown on automation. So really great. They've got all the things. You have lists right over here. You can add your different automations or messages to lists right there as well. Now there is a marketplace. This just launched, so there really isn't a whole lot in here, but you can go and create a listing right here. And if you have created a really cool automation that you think is unique and advanced, you can create a new automation, or you can create a listing for one of the ones that you created, and it'll tell you how many steps each one has. And you can actually put this for free, or you could sell it to others that are coming into the marketplace. So this is what the marketplace looks like. There's some right over here. There's $1 right there, some free ones right there as well. And as people start using the tool, there's going to be more in the marketplace. So that's really cool. There's an AI agent. Not quite sure what you do with this, but you certainly can train. You can import from Instagram. You can train the data, enter information you want. So you would just put all your training right here about your business, train my AI. And then this would be your chatbot that you would hook up right over here. And you could select a recent contact, and then you can actually start chatting with them as well. So there's an AI agent right there. There's preferences right here as well. So there's a whole, and then there's going to be, tutorials on how to use the AI agent in here as well. So then you have your settings over here as well. So what do I think about this? I wanted to do this one, and let me know if you like these more, 10-minute reviews, 8 to 12 minutes. If you like these kind of a little bit more surface level and not diving in 25, 30 minutes into the tool, what do you guys really like? I'm going to try to do more of these videos and see how you guys like these, where I can still give you a feel of what the tool is like, still rate the tool and everything, but it's just not going to be a deep dive where I'm really going to be showing you all the ins and outs and details of the tool. I'm not going to ramble on like I usually do and so forth, right? So, I'm going to give this a 4.3 out of 5 stars. There is a couple things during making these automations over here that I do think that there's a learning curve. So it's not perfect. It's not just super easy. You will have a learning curve to it. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, having a learning curve, but there was just a couple things that were, I feel like I did everything right. And then it just kind of didn't seem like it worked, right? But then one of the automations did work perfectly, right? So I do think the UI is great. The speed of it, I didn't really find any bugs or anything like that. It does solve a real business need or problem if you are trying to grow your Instagram account and get leads from Instagram. And it comes from a trustworthy source and a trustworthy vendor. So all in all, just not completely mind blown to give it a 5. And I really am going to be trying to be as careful as I can about giving out 5s, guys. Even 4.5s or higher. But anything 4-star or high is still super recommended. I definitely would recommend this tool if you are have an Instagram account and are trying to build your Instagram account and get leads and so forth, or you want to turn this into an entire business. You could do that as a service-based business as well. But a 4.3 solid rating. I can highly recommend this tool. The link will be below. Let me know what you guys think. Type in ReplySync below if you watched the entire video. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.